guys, assalamu alaikum. It's Jenna G. That's me, the Javi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So I just got home and I trying to figure out what it is that I should be cooking for lunch today. And I opened the fridge and I saw a lot of different vegetables, like a little bit of mushrooms that I have remain, half of a bell pepper, 3/4 of a bell pepper remain, a little piece of carrot, and a little piece of broccoli that's left back. So I decided I could probably just do a quick chunky veg and make some chicken to go with it or something like that. So I just wanted to show you guys how it is that I go about making my chunky veg, because a couple of times I would have posted on my Instagram some vegetables and a lot of people will ask how do I do my veggies. So I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how it is that I do my chunky veg. So I have my veggies all quickly prepared. I'm just going to rinse them real quickly and we're just going to put it all together. Alright, so I have my pan that's heating in the on the stove here, and I'm just going to be adding some margarine to this. I'm going to grate 1 clove of garlic in it. And then I'm going to be adding the carrots. Now these carrots are a little large, right? So I'm going to add it first so that it could cook. We just cover the pot and we're going to let the carrots cook for a little while. I cut them a little chunkier than I normally would, and I don't like extra crunchy vegetables. So I want to leave it covered just for about a minute or two on low heat so that it could steam a little more, and then we're just going to add in the rest of the vegetables. So when you're making this chunky veg, it all depends on how crunchy you like to eat your veggies. If you want extra crunch, don't leave it on the stove for too long. So now adding in the broccoli and the bell peppers. I'm adding in the others. So to this, I'm going to be adding this Taikong fried rice and vegetable seasoning. Now this adds such great flavors to your rice and your veggie dishes. So it's my absolute go-to when I'm making anything with vegetables and fried rice or any sort of carrot rice. I use this. And I'm also going to be using some parsley. So we're just going to cover it, leave it, let it cook until the vegetables reach the perfect crunchiness for your liking. Alrighty guys, so you saw how quick it is to make this chunky veg. It's not that hard at all. You can just open your fridge, whatever veggies you have, you just add it to your pot, mix up anything you want to mix up in it. And this scale that I have here, just to give you all an idea, was like a pound of veggies that I use. So your ratio of carrots, so broccoli, mushrooms, you can add, eliminate, whatever it is. So I'll just give you guys a rough idea of how much of the sesame oil, the fried rice seasoning and stuff that I would have used just for like a pound of the veggies to help you guys in your measurement. But these two things to me must have. That's what adds the nice extra flavor to my chunky veg, and I enjoyed a lot. And of course the parsley. So that was it. Super easy dish for you guys to try. So all the posts that I made on Instagram with veggies, now you guys have an idea of how you can make it in your own kitchen. So I hope that you do give it a try out and let me know what you think. So thanks so much for watching this video. It was a very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Please don't forget to share it with all your friends and your family. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as well and the bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos to come. Stay tuned to a lot more videos.